everyone, I welcome you once again to this tutorial. As we have stopped in our previous lesson, today we want to work a little bit on our reports. Okay, we want to add two buttons to our reports. Okay, that's very important. So launch your database containing this file. I've asked you to create a report for the teacher's profile. Do that, it's very important. So I'll work on the student report. So I'll just right click and go to design view. I'll add one picture and go to add picture, and I'll browse the location where the picture is located. At my end, I will use this nice image. Okay, now we need to do something. We see that when you preview view the form, you can see some gray line. We want to avoid this. You can see some gray line, so we want to do that. So let's remove that. So right click on here and go to design view. Now go to format and set auto center to yes. Now what is causing the gray line is the availability of the scroll bar. So you're going to set the scroll bar to vertical only. So put it to vertical only. Then come here and click here, and then the color, the alternative bar color, and put it at no color. Okay. So now view your form. If you view your form, you will not see the gray line again. The gray line will not be visible. Now it's gone. Now we don't want to show the ID. We don't need the ID. So right click here and go to design view, and then select this and put it at visibility, put it at no, and then you can move this somewhere. Okay, make sure you select the two label and put it at visibility at no. Okay, very important. Now I can move this one a little bit down. Now let's view our report and see. So we will not have the student, the ID. Okay, we don't need it. Now let's work on the report again. Go to design view. We want to add some two buttons over here that will enable us to preview and to print. To preview and then to print. So go to your command buttons. These are command buttons, and draw the command buttons. So here I'll rename it and say print preview. Yeah, give it a nice color. So I'll go to format, and then the shape fill, I want to give it my favorite color. Then I want the font color to be white. Then I want to bold it. By the way, copy this, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and here write print. We need print. Okay, you can decide to put an icon, okay, or a print icon over here. It depends on you. So let's right click here and go to build an event. We are going to use a micro builder. You can even use a code builder, but I want to use a micro builder. So select OK. Now what we need to do is to you write print. So we are going to write a simple micro. The action is to print preview, not print what? Print what? Preview. Then you press the enter key, and then after it will maximize it for us. So just click on save and close it. Then come here, right click and go to build event, and then go to micro builder, select OK. You want to print object, so print object, you save it. Okay, you save it and then you close. So now let's test it and see how it is working. So when we click here, we can preview this student 1, student 2, in that order. This. From there, Control P to print. You can print it all, or you can print to PDF. Very nice. So for you just click on the escape key. Okay. So that's all. Now, in our professional masterclass, we'll be looking at the school-based assessment system. In the school-based assessment system, we are going to make it look like an app, okay, an executable software. Okay, you are going to convert it to as executable software, and we will not be seeing this Microsoft Access objects. All these things will be hidden using VBA codes. We'll have a very nice and attractive dashboard where users can navigate to wherever they want to go. So I'm urging each and every one of us to make it a point to be part of the masterclass. Fee, it will be very affordable for everybody to join, and discussions will be made tomorrow. Today is Thursday, so everything will be posted in the group. All concerns will be taken. I wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. We'll be uploading lessons on Microsoft Excel and then Word, how to use to design a school-based assessment system. Those who will join the masterclass will have opportunities to learn how to create a free browsing file for all the apps, Nastan TV, ATT Customs, Socket ISP. They also receive my SBA software that I designed for schools, which I sell around 200 cedis. It will be given to them for free with VBA protection unlock, whereby they can do a lot of changes to it to suit their brand and sell to other schools to make money. So it is only with us that you can get this offer. For everybody to join the masterclass, the fee is supposed to be around 200 cedis. But looking at the economic condition that we find ourselves in, and your willingness and your zeal, your commitment to learn has made us to consider all these things factors, making the training affordable for everybody. So the masterclass will go for 50 series. All the details concerning the masterclass will be posted on the platform. Thank you. I want to see you in the masterclass. Bye.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.